Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process how to fix Soundcore earbud not charging. Okay. So guys, we are going to discuss by each step. First of all, confirm the charging case has power left. Open the charging case to check there is a white light flashing. If there is not light flash, please try different wall charger and cable first to charge the earbud for the at least 2 hours. At it best to use 5V charger. Okay. And then make sure the wall charger and cable you are using work fine for other devices. Clean the charging pin. Clean the charging pin with the dry cloth and rubbing alcohol. This is ensure all charging contacts pin on the earbud and charging case are completely clean and dry from the sweat and water. Then put the earbud correctly into the case. First light flash twice when the left earbud is placed in the case. The third light flashes twice when the earbud is placed in the case. Okay, and then check whether the ear tip and ear wing are installed properly. Pay especially attention whether the ear wing is installed correctly. If ear wing are installed incorrectly, it will affect the contact between the contact point on the earbud and contact pin in the charging case. If the connection is poor, the earbud cannot be charged. Okay, so make sure you take pay attention on this earring. And if all of this step is still not working for you, you can go to their website on contact page, ask for them help, whatever kind of help you need. Okay, like support.soundcore.com, and then go to their contact page. Okay, and here you can see all kind of support they have, like email, call, and live chat. Okay, so this is the all step. Thanks guys, have a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.